If you play any Pick 3 style lottery and use the 730 rundown, then here's a trick for you to try. For this example I am going to use New Jersey, and I am going to February 6th midday to get the midday for February 7th. The midday is 584, so we put that in the generator. If you look at the rundown, look around the day sum of 8. You will see connected to the day sum 8 in its mirror 3. The mirror of 299, which is 744, and 294. 244 is all over the workout, right? So the mirror of 584 is 039, right? Enter that. Now look at the numbers connected to the day sum in its mirror. What do you see? 299. Down by the 3s, you see 799. The key here is to look at the patterns connected to the day sum in its mirror number. Look at the numbers connected to the day sum, in this case 8. Notice the numbers connected to it. 5, 1 and 2. Based on that, look at the numbers connected to the 1, 5, 2 and you see 4 and 9. So right there you have the first combinations to play. After that you next play should be the combinations connected to those numbers, understand? So for the evening play, for the next draw based on the 1, 5, 2, that draw might be 152 or the mirror or flip of it like 617 or 157. Another cheat is to look for a double-double pattern. For example, using 584 for February 6th, look for the day sum with a diagonal double number. When you find it you will see another double diagonal to it like 88 in its diagonal 55. This will give a clue to the number that you should use in your next play. So 5 and 0 should be used or 3 and 8. Then any numbers connected to it use the mirror and flips of them. But the more you do this the easier it will be to see the patterns clearly. This workout clearly tells you that you should have been playing 9s, 4s in the first digits connected to the day sum in its mirror. Also notice that the 9, 3, 4 and 8 are the hit sum and mirror sum. So if you had played based on that you would have won the draw. Now if you're using the 730 generator you will notice at the bottom it has generated your hot numbers. These numbers are directly connected to the day sum or the hit and mirror sum. It is not guaranteed to have the winning combination, but it just might. Use it as a starting point. But also do the work of looking at the patterns in the workout and playing with different variations of the last draw by mirroring it and flipping it to see the possible combinations. Trust that the winning number is there, especially if you have been testing previous draws and generators on your state and seeing the winning number and the results. Be sure to head over to LNumerisLotteryStrategies.com to get access to all the generators we offer if you want to start getting consistent wins. Good luck! And I'll see you on the other side.